Today we're going to talk about something that will help you to protect your Amazon FBA product and brand. It doesn't guarantee that other sellers won't sell your product on Amazon, but it does give you an extra layer of protection when selling on Amazon. In fact, if you use this program, it's over 99% effective at stopping people from infringing on your product. It also gives you access to a ton of features that will give you the edge on selling your products on Amazon. Amazon created this program a little while ago, and it's called Amazon Brand Registry. But they've updated how you have to apply to Brand Registry, and I'm going to show you how to do that in depth in this video. And I'm going to show you why you need Brand Registry, how to apply for Brand Registry, and what to do after you have been approved for Brand Registry. And I'm going to be using my new Amazon FBA product, Rocket Tea, as a real example on how to apply for Brand Registry. This product is coming out in 2 weeks, and I'm doing an entire series here on YouTube sharing every single step of starting this Amazon business. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see how the results of launching this product go. And if you want to see how I'm marketing this product, there's a link down below to get on the wait list for the launch of this product. You can copy all the emails that I use to launch this product for when you launch your own product. But the point of this video is to show you how to apply for Brand Registry. And applying for Brand Registry is crucial if you're going to be selling on Amazon. And to sign up for Brand Registry, you're going to go to brandservices.amazon.com and you'll sign in to the account that you want to apply for Brand Registry through. And the reason I say it's crucial to sign up for Brand Registry before you start selling on Amazon is because all the features that this gives you. And we're going to actually go down here. I'm going to show you all the different features that you get when signing up for Brand Registry and show you why it's so important that you do it. And one of the first things that you get is access to A+ content. So let me show you what A+ content is. If you go to an Amazon product page and scroll down to the bottom, most products on Amazon just have a normal, boring description that is text. But A+ content allows you to be able to put images, to put infographics, to really sell your customer. And when you have A+ content, it's going to make it so that more people that go to your product listing are going to buy. And Amazon's going to see this and it's going to put your product higher up in the search results because it knows that every time someone clicks on one of your products, they're more likely to actually convert. A+ content also allows you to put videos on your product listing page, which again is going to make it so people will watch your video and be even more likely to purchase your product. When you have Brand Registry, you can also report a violation. If someone is copying your product, if they're infringing on your intellectual property, you can report it to Amazon and Amazon will know that you're the actual owner of that copyright. And if there's ever people that are listing your product and it's a counterfeit of your product, you can remove those listings by letting Amazon know about that. Another big reason to be part of Brand Registry, if we scroll up here, we can actually see the new seller incentives, and you'll get 5% back on the first $1 million in branded sales that you do. That's literally $50,000 that you're going to get when you apply for Brand Registry. You're also able to enroll in the Vine program for free. Usually it costs $200, but if you're brand registered, you can do that for free. And the way the Vine program works is it allows you to get 30 trusted reviews. Basically, Amazon goes out and they find the people that are giving reviews most often and very comprehensive reviews, and they'll message them and say, hey, do you guys mind reviewing this product? And these people write out long, detailed reviews. Oftentimes they include images. So this is a great program that you're getting absolutely for free. And then another feature is you can receive up to 2,000 free transparency codes, another $100 value. This allows that when you send your product into Amazon, you can put a special code on it, letting Amazon know that it's 100% authentic, and anyone that sends a product in that doesn't have that transparency code, they might get flagged. And if they're trying to sell your product on Amazon, they won't be able to because it won't be an authentic version. You also get access to sponsored brands, and this is a way to advertise on Amazon. It shows up at the very, very top of the search results, and it's a banner style ad. And so this is a way to set your product apart from others and another way to make more money. When you get Brand Registry, you can also set up an Amazon store. And this is a way to set up your own storefront on the Amazon website so that if people ever click on your name in your Amazon listing, they can go to your storefront, and it's a custom branded store where you can show only your products and people can learn more about you as a seller. You can share your mission and about us and just some more information on why people should buy from you. This will also help you to increase your sales and get your customers to know a little bit more about you. The next feature is the customer engagement, and this is for brands who want to build better customer relationships. It allows you to increase retention and drive engagement by sending targeted email marketing campaigns. And I'm going to show you step by step how to sign up for Brand Registry in just a minute, but I want to go over all these features first so you know why you're doing it, and also more importantly that once you get Brand Registry, you know how to properly utilize it. So we already talked about the video shopping and the product videos, but another thing is this new feature called Amazon Live. And this is a new feature that Amazon's offering that allows brands to go live here on Amazon and share more about their products. So this is just another way to promote your products. This also gives you access to the subscribe and save feature. This is where you can offer a discount for anyone that buys your product and subscribes to your product so that they maybe get it delivered every single month, every 2 months, every 3 months. They can pick how often they want to purchase and receive your product, but this allows you to let customers buy your product automatically. And this is especially important if you have a product that people are going to eat or drink or somehow consume, and you know that they're going to want to buy it again and again. And it's a very helpful feature. You also get access to Amazon Brand Analytics. And Amazon Brand Analytics allows you to get a lot more insights and get a lot more reports on who you're selling to. This includes search term reports where you can see what people are searching for in order to buy your products. It also allows you to see the demographics of who's buying your product. And here's all the different reports that you get. You get item comparison report, alternate purchase report, market basket report, all these different things. And all this is going to help you to see not only who's buying your product, but how they're finding you and why they're buying your product. When you sign up for Brand Registry, you're also going to get Amazon attribution. And this is crucial if you're doing marketing off of Amazon itself. For instance, if you're doing Facebook ads, Google ads, social media, you can use Amazon attribution to track how many people are coming from TikTok to your actual Amazon listing and actually making a purchase. And a lot of people use this to run paid ads from off of Amazon to their Amazon listing, and they can track and see how well are these actually doing. Is it actually resulting in sales? And speaking about making sales, the brand referral bonus is one of the most important parts of this entire program that a lot of people don't do. This is gonna make you more money because normally when you sell a product on Amazon, you have to pay a 15% referral fee, meaning if you're selling a product on Amazon that's $100, Amazon is gonna keep $15. But if you enroll in this brand referral bonus program, the referral fee goes from 15% down to 5%, meaning in the example I just gave, instead of Amazon charging $15 as a referral fee, they would only charge $5, which ultimately means more money for you, more money in your pocket. And this is a feature that's only available if you're part of Brand Registry. But one of the most important benefits of joining Brand Registry that they don't really mention is that by being part of Brand Registry, it's gonna help protect you from hijackers. And if you sell on Amazon, there's always a chance that someone will come onto your listing, start messing with things, start changing things around. And if you're part of Brand Registry, it allows you to escalate cases and show that you own this brand, that you're the one that's in charge, and you basically have more proof that it's your product, and it means that you're able to get all those kind of things fixed a lot faster. And so in the long run, it's gonna stop hijackers from coming on your listing and making changes. And last year, there was over 2.5 million seller accounts that were fraudulent that this program has stopped. And when you join Brand Registry, there's a team at Amazon of over 12,000 people that are dedicated to helping to protect you and basically give you an advantage over the competition. So again, if you're gonna be selling on Amazon, you need to make sure you sign up for Brand Registry. So let me show you how to do this. And again, you're gonna go to brandservices.amazon.com. And this is actually a snippet sample lesson from my newly updated Amazon FBA course, The Passion Product Formula, which is gonna be open starting next week. I'm opening it for 1 week. If you wanna get on the wait list for that, if you're interested in joining that program, I'll put a link down below. I'm only gonna be allowing 50 people into the program, and then once it closes, I'm not going to publicly open it again until next year. So if you're interested in joining now, click the link down below, or you can get on the wait list for the next time that I open it. So let's jump into this video and make sure to hit the like button because I'm gonna show you how to get all those benefits that we've been talking about. So we're gonna click Get Started with Brand Registry. And then you're gonna click on Get Started. And to get started, there are 3 steps involved, and there's 3 things that you're going to need. The first thing all brands signing up for Brand Registry must have are a pending or registered text-based or image-based trademark. So there's 2 different types of trademarks that you can get. One is image-based. Basically, this would be if you trademark a logo, a certain type of design. On the other hand, there are text-based trademarks. This is where you would trademark a word like Coca-Cola. No matter what font Coca-Cola is in, Coca-Cola has a trademark on the words Coca-Cola. On the other hand, for Rocket Tea, we did not trademark the words Rocket Tea because it was too competitive and there was other products out there that had similar style names, but what we did do is we trademarked the logo. So nobody in the world can use this logo except for us. And generally speaking, it's easier to get an image-based mark than it is a word mark. An example of this is for my first passion product company, Performance Nut Butter. I decided to get an image-based mark because I knew that if I tried to get Performance Nut Butter as a word mark, it might cause some issues. Basically, the words Performance Nut Butter are a little bit too generic, but my logo is very specific and it's very unique, so it was easier to get that as a trademark than it was just a bunch of words. The second thing you're going to need to be able to do is verify that you own the trademark. And this is easy. They're basically just going to send you an email. You're going to have a code and you're going to copy that code to show them that you are the owner of the trademark. And the third thing that you're going to need to do is have an Amazon seller account. And I did a previous video in this series where I'm showing you how I created Rocket Tea, where we talked about how we created the Amazon seller account. Now, before I go into the next step, I know a lot of people have questions about how do I even get a trademark? And there are multiple different ways that you can get a trademark, but the most affordable way to get a trademark is just to go to uspto.gov and you can file for your own trademark. And to do that, you'll go over to trademarks and you'll click on apply online. You're then going to follow the step-by-step instructions to apply for your trademark. It is so much easier than you would think it'd be. They ask you very basic questions like what kind of category are you selling your products in? For instance, with Rocket Tea, we said we're going to be selling it in beverages. Then they ask you to upload your image as well as to write out the text that appears on your image. And it's going to cost you around $275 if you apply online for your own trademark. However, if you don't want to do this yourself, you can always hire a lawyer, and that's going to cost you an extra couple $100 depending on the lawyer that you hire. Sometimes lawyers are going to charge $1,000 or $2,000. Obviously, I think that's overpriced, but if it's helpful for you to pay an extra few $100s to hire a lawyer, that is always an option. You can email me at travis@effectiveecommerce.com if you want a lawyer that I would recommend. But you can always just go to Google, type in your city, followed by trademark lawyer, and it'll give you a list of people in your area who are good at doing trademarks. Give a bunch of them a call and see who's the most affordable that you think would be a good fit for helping you to get your trademark. But once you've applied for your trademark and it's processing, you can go ahead, scroll down here, and you can click to enroll now. You're then going to pick which country you're located in. And if you haven't yet, make sure that you sign in. You're then going to click on enroll a new brand. There's a few things you're going to need when applying for brand registry. You're going to need the trademark number. You're also going to need an image that clearly shows the branding of your product on the actual package that you're going to be selling, which means that you need the finished product of the product that you are enrolling in brand registry. Or here's a secret hint, you can always just create a mock-up of that product. And that's what I did for Performance Nut Butter. I found some competitors' products that were relatively similar dimensions to my product, and I printed out stickers. I put those stickers on the packaging, and I was able to fool Amazon into thinking that the product was already created, even though we had not yet created it. You're also going to need a few other things, but we'll talk about those as we go. You're then going to put in your brand name. And it's important to note that the brand name is the same name that appears on your trademark. It doesn't have to be the same name that's your seller account, and it doesn't have to be the same name that your title is for your Amazon product. So in this case, we're going to put Rocket Tea. After that, you'll select a trademark office. And if you're in the United States and you applied through the USPTO, you're going to select United States. Then you'll enter your registration or serial number. After that, you'll upload a photo of your product that clearly shows the brand on the product. Then you'll hit next. Next up, they're going to ask you some information about your selling account. And you'll select whether you are the seller, a vendor, or if you're neither. 99% of the people watching this video, you're going to be a seller, meaning that you're selling your products directly to customers using Amazon Seller Central. However, if you are a vendor, meaning you sell your products to Amazon as a third party using Amazon Vendor Central, you use this. And if for any reason you're neither, then you can always select that. And you might select neither if you don't want to sell on Amazon, but you still want to apply for brand registry just to protect your products from being sold on Amazon. But again, for most of us, it's going to be seller that you're going to select. You're then going to select the Amazon selling account that you want to apply through. and you'll scroll down and you'll select what category best describes your product. In this case, it's grocery and gourmet food. Then Amazon requires you to provide your top selling ASINs for each product category where your brand is sold. So basically what they're looking for is you to put in the ASIN number of a product that represents the brand that you're going to be using this brand registry for. An ASIN stands for Amazon Standard Identification Number, and all products being sold on Amazon have a unique ASIN. And when you create a new listing on Amazon, every single product will be assigned an ASIN. So one thing that you need to make sure that you do is that you create your product listing before you apply for brand registry. Even if your product listing isn't perfect, maybe you don't have the perfect main image or the perfect title, you need to have some kind of a listing. You're then gonna go into your Amazon seller account, you're gonna copy the ASIN number and you're gonna paste it here. Amazon also says that you can provide a URL to your brand's official website if you have a website. And this is optional, but if you do have a website where you're already selling your product online, I highly recommend doing it. It'll make the process of getting brand registry a little bit easier. The next step applying for brand registry is they're going to ask you some information about your distribution. So the first question they ask you is, does your brand sell to distributors? And in our case, no, it does not, because we're creating our own product, Rocket Tea, and we're selling it directly on Amazon. Then it asks, where are your brand's products distributed? In our case, it's only in the United States, so we're only going to select that. If you have other places, you can add those as well. And then the last question it asks is license information. Does your brand license trademarks to others who manufacture products associated with your intellectual property? In our case, it's no. The only people that are making our product are us. Now, on the other hand, if you're a company like Disney who licenses out their trademarks, you would select yes. But for most of the people watching this video, the answer is going to be no. If for any reason you have gone through the contract and you've sold the licensing rights to your product, of course, you'll just select yes, and it's a little bit different of a process. But now that we're done, we're going to go ahead and click submit. And once you apply, it may take a couple weeks for you to be approved, and sometimes you might need to apply more than once. But once you are approved, you're going to get access to all kinds of new features here. For instance, there's A+ Content Manager, there's Vine, there's deals, there's coupons, there's promotions, there's all these things that were locked before that you now get access to. On top of that, if you go into brands, you'll see brand analytics, brand protection, all this different stuff, including the brand referral bonus, which I highly recommend that you apply for, has all been unlocked. And in my Amazon FBA program, I talk about all these features in a lot more depth, as well as step-by-step how to apply for your own trademark. And as a reminder, I have this entire series where I'm showing you step-by-step from scratch how I'm creating this product. You can get it for free by clicking on this playlist right here. It's every single step of the process of how we created this product, Rocket Tea. So click on that playlist. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.